Am I the only one falling behind? First place, come to Papa. Huh? Where is all that energy coming from? No way. He looks way younger than me. Ugh, my back. Should I just crash too? This is insane. I'm dying here. I'm hitting the wall. I'm so done. Huh? Wait, she's a grandma. And she's still going. Legs, keep moving. Let's do this. Spit out the weakness. Finish it. End it. Finish it. End it. Yeah, victory is mine. I actually made it.
Do what you can with what you have, where you are. Theodore Roosevelt. It is okay to run or walk. Are you still moving?